What's going on, guys? This is Zell with MixStar Audio at MixStarAudio.com, where we encourage you to be your own star, and today is a full production. Let's go! Commentated time-lapse time. Welcome back, baby. So today we are at the Wilmington Public Library in downtown Wilmington, Delaware. You guys can see this quick time-lapse right now of me getting everything situated for the stage. You guys have seen this process already. If you haven't, feel free to click that link in the top right corner so you can see that video and me explaining to you exactly what I'm doing. This stage right now is being set up. This is only 16 by 12. We have up to 16 by 16. This event is a pretty big event for us. It's a full production. Anytime we have a full production, we make sure to show up and show out. Since we got some new toys we're gonna show off, and it really brought everything together. I'll explain those to you guys as well as we go throughout the video. Now, all of us are team leads, so we went through, all three of us did the inspection, so everything was good. I just like to be a little extra cautious. At the end of each setup, I like to go through and give it a final, walkthrough test. Look at them. Look at that footwork. Look at that footwork. It's crazy. For this show, we set up two 15 inches for the crowd. We set up two 12 inches on the stage for monitors, and we set up one actual stage wedge for center fill for the crowd. It was very adequate audio for the people on stage and for the crowd. As you guys will see later, I'm going throughout the crowd and looking to make sure everything is good. This was the show. We had the lighting set up, and we also grabbed some wireless DMX transmitters for this show specifically. Giz and Jay were up on the balcony controlling all of the lights, as well as the spotlight, the party lighting, and the lighting on the stage and on the backdrop, on the back wall. I got a shout out to Big Eye from DETV, who sponsored the entire thing. Of course, we got a shout out to the client, Richard Raw. He really did his thing. He hit us up and wanted a stage and ended up getting a full production. Without those two guys, we wouldn't have been there. So definitely kudos to those guys. Shout out to them, and see you guys in the next one.
Mr. Light It Up, DJ Today, I'm only Mr. Light It Up. You already know what's going on. We got the vibes over here, control over here, spotlight over here. Spotlight killing on stage right now. The gig mark for a handmaster usual. The Obey 40 is holding us down for the bars. Everything is lit right now. Man, y'all gotta get with the stars. If you're not, why you even in the galaxy? You feel me?
That's it, comfort. Stretch that pass. Get a little bit closer. We can go back. Give me that same comfort. Stretch that pass.